name is Ivy Onyango. I scored 406 in my examination, as emerging the top. I would like to thank my parents, teachers, and the management for helping us to pass this examination. The examination was a bit challenging, but because of God, we managed to pass. Without the Almighty, we would have not reached this day. And
First of all, we want to thank God. He is the one who has enabled Elimu up to this time. We had 90 students as our candidates this year. There were 90. If you may check this fact, very few private schools offer that large number of candidates. But we are bold enough, we are a good school. We offer everybody comes and does the exam. We don't want to send out anybody. So out of 90, the best had 406, we had 7 with 400. We also, the last student got 323. Out of 90, only 3 got below 350. Only 3 got below 350. And a result of 350 to a student by any standards, that's a very, very good result. We are proud of them as a school. We thank God because He is the one who enabled us achieve that result. They are right now working on the mean score. I bet it won't be below 380. And a mean score of 380 and above is a wonderful result.
Nimefurahia kama mzazi na nashukuru Mungu. Management ya shule, walimu wametia bidii sana. So mimi naimiza wazazi waleta watoto hapa. Hii shule ni mzuri na nimefurahia sana. I'm very happy.
6 marks. Most of us were expecting 400, but we also thank God because that's what He decided we'll get. And we got it, and we still thank Him and praise Him. Since the morning we have been waiting, a lot of anxiety filled our hearts because the code that we were sending to was not too fast to reply to our results, but at last we found our results out. We also like to thank our teachers, our parents. They have really helped us. Like our director, he was supporting us in any way and making sure that we would find necessary materials for our learning. I would like to go to Kcpe boys and pursue software engineering.
My name is Andre Oigara. I learn in Imperial Primary School in Kisii County, Nyanza region. It's been tough, but God helped me get 421 marks out of 500 in this year's 2023 Kcpe examinations. I'm very happy and thank everybody who has helped me throughout this journey for their continuous support and everlasting love. There were some doubts, but then I still made it to the end, and I'm very thankful. The school I had chosen was Alliance High School. I've been dreaming of this school for a very long time, but now I'm sure that I'm going there. And I hope that when I go there, it will be successful. In future, I wanted to be a pilot. I'm sure God will help me become a pilot. Yes, help me in Kcpe.
My name is Roslyn Yakona David, Mama Andre. I am so much excited to receive this news. Since morning, by the way, we've been so tensed. We tried to send messages. I sent like almost 30 and I didn't receive any information. But around 2 o'clock I tried once more and I received the results. I couldn't believe my eyes. God is so good. I really would love to thank my son for making me this proud. I want to thank the teachers. I want to thank the school, the administration, and even the support staff for all the support that they've given to my son and all the other students who have really made it. I want also to thank God for the opportunity for my son to pass.
My name is Mikaya Buya. I learn at Imperial Primary School. The Lord enabled me to score 417 marks and I'm grateful for that. I also thank our parents, our teachers and everybody who supported us and participated in the journey. My dream school is Alliance High School. I would like to go there, and if God will enable me, I'd like to be a neurosurgeon in the near future, and I would like to succeed. What made me pass was the discipline I had, working smart, help of teachers, and the unity with how we had with our friends.
Ogendi Abuya Tamaro, that's my name. I happen to be a parent here in Imperial Primary School, and the pupil just spoke, Mikaya Abuya is my son. Definitely I'm very, very delighted for he got 417 marks, and as he said, we hope that he will be called to Alliance High School, the boys' side, so that he can pursue his course. Generally, these boys have been very disciplined. I know as parents we've cooperated with the teachers and the management and the administration to score such a great mark. And I will not also forget to thank other private schools in Kisii. Happen to be the Kenya Private Schools Association chair in Kisii. I think as private schools, we've once again proven that togetherness, unity, good investment always yields good results, which is success. And this being the last standard 8 class, I think all of you over the country you can see the good results we've done. And as my school at Tabaka Academy, I'm the director of Tabaka Academy, we equally did very well. I had to run and be beside my son today and not be beside other teachers and parents at Tabaka Academy. So we thank all private schools owners all over the country. Keep the good work as we start CBC, because CBC for me it's in my heart, and I believe it will be the eye-opener. And for this school, Imperial and Tabaka Academy, we are fully set for CBC, both the junior school, now it is not called junior secondary but junior school, and I know we will excel. To my son Abuya Mikaya, kudos and God bless you with your friends. I know you are very close to Andrea as your friend, and as you said, you used to work together, and let that continue forth all the way to the university and beyond.
Amekuwa safu zaidi ya mwaka jana kutoka milioni 377 marks kupatikana katika barabara ya Kisii Kisumu umbali wa takriban kilomita 3 pekee kutoka katikati mwa mji wa Kisii.
Opportunity to thank everybody who participated in this exercise. First of all, we thank God for this far at His grace that has made us to be alive today. Today we are celebrating our very best results that we have never seen before, whereby we had 400 candidates who attained 400 marks and above, whereby the first one had 411, the second one 407, the third one had 403, and the fourth one had 401. The last candidate scored 339 marks. Our total MSS was 339. So we are very, very happy for these results, and we thank our parents for entrusting us in giving their children to this school. This is the best place to be. That's why we say the future is here. We thank you very much, everybody who participated in this exercise.
I simply say I'm extremely excited and happy indeed. I confirm, like my daughter has been telling me that I'm passing, and indeed she has passed. She's number 11 on the score list, and our dream school was Kenya High. I'm excited, like she's now going to join Kenya High. The sky is the limit. What I can say about the other learners, God has given you what you have hardly worked for. Secondly, as you move forward, my daughter Charity, the sky is the limit. She has been telling me she wants to be a surgeon. Go, the sky is the limit.
Precious Hope School has always been doing well, and this year we are happy being the last year for 844 system, and we have emerged victorious as usual. So I want to congratulate each one in Precious Hope fraternity, and I want to request parents, those that don't know the school is there. We are CBC compliant. We want to welcome each person and each parent who is looking for excellence to his child to bring his or her child to Precious Hope, in that we are set even for CBC.